Hello guys, in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix slow internet problem easily and fast on any Android phone. So first thing you wanna do guys is open all the windows that are opened like this, close all the windows, and now go back and uh, now you have to go into the settings, open the wireless and networks. On this page, as you can see, you will find the wireless and network settings. So all what you want to do is go into the Wi-Fi, turn it off, and then wait 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now enable it and go back. And if you are using mobile network, you can do the same thing. Just disable it and then enable it again after 5 seconds, and make sure that you are connected into the 5G or the 4G at least. Don't forget to like, subscribe.